Hello guys, today I will discuss about the law of attraction. How to attract a specific person using the law of attraction for love. First, the one you love is the most important person to you and there is no reason why you have to give up hope. Hopefully, this is totally searchable. All the things I researched about that. After that, I came to this point that a short video to all of you to get the desired person, specific person in your life get back. With the law of attraction, you create every aspect of your reality, including attracting a specific person, healing a relation when things look impossible, and having an ex come back into your life. Yes, it can be. I think most of the person have left the hope, but you can do it with a positive mind. It does not matter what your situation is like, you know it can be better, whatever it is situation you are living right now, but I am telling you it can be better, and it's all about in your hand. First of all, manifesting relationship with the person. You just think about that yes, she is with me right now, and we are living happily together. Just you have to think about that, and this is called manifesting. And be confident in yourself. Be confident, realize the great person that you are, and it does not matter what other think about you. You think yourself better than others. First you have to love yourself, thereafter you love to others. A loving soul attract more love and the positivity. When you let it and focus on the positive, you change your vibration and open a door for the law of attraction, for love, and for the person to bring you and your specific person. So guys, love without fear of getting hurt. This is the scariest thing about love, is opening yourself up to it. You open yourself, be willing to talk with the risk, and the fully open yourself to love. You will manifest the love you want. And and you must have fun. People are most attracted to a smile and laughter person. When you are having a good time, other notice and want to be with you. So do the things that make you happy. Don't be sad all the time. You must be happy. Being a happy soul, all the happiest person will be happening with you. So, and see the positivity. You must have positive focus on the good things about the specific person you want the law of attraction to bring you. It is tough, but if you keep working at it, it will be get easier. Send positive thoughts to the universe and appreciate all the things whatever you have. you know all the result will be positive if you send the positive energy to the universe. And of course, it is the law of attraction. The universe also send you positive energy whatever you want. And be happy for what you have. Forget about the things that you are wanting. Once you can be happy in the moment, at the moment, the things you want will start falling in the place, including your love life. Be willing to let the other person go. This one is the hardest part of the law of attraction for love when attracting a specific person, but it's only when you are okay with not being with them that you open the path of attraction to attract you, a specific person. And until you are okay with not being with him, I know that's not easy. Get my proven step by system, and I am 100% sure the law of attraction will, of course, works on you. And law of attraction works like a prayer. Most of the people pray for their specific religion, and just think about God. God is just like an universe. Whatever you want from the God, we get it. So there is universe who reflect energy, attract energy, and send us the positive energy. Depends on you that what type of energy you are getting. If you are getting the positive energy, all the things will be positive in your life. If you are getting the negative energy, all the negative things will be in your life. So most of the things you are thinking about, what's your mind's, first you have to train your mind to send only positive energy, reflect positive energy, attract positive energy, think about positive energy. So but the time is totally depends on your positivity, your process. Someone asked me that how much time it take to um, do. I am telling you, it's all depends on you. It's all depends on your process. It's all depends on your positivity. It's all depends on your depth. And you must have the clear visualization. Think all of the good thing about him, her. If he or she come back to you, what you will do step by step, think about that. Suppose she or he came to you. Suppose this is the positive energy. Suppose that she has come to your life, and you and he living together very happily. Just visualize and send the positive energy. In between, during all this process, you must have a clear picture of her or him, in your mind. You must have a clear face. You must have a clear image of the person or the specific person that she or he I want back. So guys, my next video will be about this through the mobile, how he or she will start to call you, how he or she will start to message you. So guys, keep watching and subscribe my channel. My channel is educator, motivator, and spiritual blogger. Thank you.